Hi, so my name's Elizabeth.
And I'm Katie.
And we are going to take a tour of our apartment in the KE Apartments.
Woo! So let's have a look. So here's our little entryway. You get some nice hallway closets, so if you have a lot of coats, that comes in handy. Nice little entryway, and here's our living room, very cozy. We brought in a lot of our own lights, so it kind of helps with the cozy atmosphere. Lots of cupboard space. We've got nice tall ones over here. We have lots of pots and pans of our own because we cook in here a decent amount. Dishwasher is constantly running. It's very good.
We've got this lovely outdoor space overlooking the Faikai Fields, and so it's always nice to be able to see outdoors with this huge glass door window.
Our rooms are back here. This one Elizabeth and I share. So we've got beds set up against either wall, so we kind of have our own like sides of the room, and we found that was helpful. We both made ourselves little cubbies. So the bathrooms are all set up a little bit differently as well. But this one we have a separate room for our toilet and our shower. Pretty nice sliding door shower. Also, all of this storage area space, which is really nice.
Now we're gonna go and visit our other roommate, Ria.
Ooh. So this is the small room.
Hello.
I like the view out from the window.
Yeah.
I kind of did like the whole desk thing here. So I get ready and then I position the mirror over there. Yeah, it also makes me look super tall, which I like. This is like the closet space. So
Very
because
nice.
there isn't a second person, there's obviously more space for me to use. But typically you could split this. You could also use like these shelves and stuff. You could even get some of your own like storage things and store it under the bed. I know some friends of mine in other apartments do that.
Yep.
So yeah, you can actually make good use of space, and it's a pretty good room. I like it.